All right, so let's consider this problem. This problem says, what is the molarity of a solution that contains 0.350 gram of barium fluoride? By the way, the chemical formula for barium fluoride is BaF subscript 2 in 0.50 liter. So L means liter solution, right? L here means liter. That's this, right? Simply volume in liter. So how do we solve this? They mentioned molarity. So first things first, what is molarity? When we say molarity is simply equal to the ratio of the number of moles of a compound in a liter of a solution. So it's simply equal to mole, that's molarity, mole all over volume, the volume in liter, all right? Mole is MOL, that's your abbreviation, or the unit for mole is, of course, mole, MOL, then volume in liter. If I look at the question there, I already have the value of the volume, which is 0.50 or 0.5 in liter. So this one is already taken care of. I'm asked to calculate molarity. So all I have to do is to find the mole of barium fluoride. If I can get the mole of barium fluoride, we can now find the molarity. So first things first, let's find mole of barium fluoride. But we already said that mole is equal to what there? Mass all over molar mass. So mass over molar mass. I'm giving the mass here as 0.350 gram. So the mass is already given. All I have to do is to find the molar mass of this compound. So let's find that. The molar mass of barium fluoride is equal to, for barium, the atomic mass of barium is 137. So 137, that's for barium, plus for fluorine, the atomic mass of fluorine is 18. So it becomes 18. But then I have two atoms of fluorine, so it becomes times 2. So I have this. If I sum this up, this is equal to 137 plus 18 times 2 gives you 36. So if I combine these two here, that's 36. Right. So if I combine these two, this gives me what there? 173 gram per mole. All right. So it means that the molar mass of barium fluoride is 173 gram per mole. All right. So with this taken care of now, we now have the molar mass as 173 gram per mole. We have the mass as given here 0.350 gram. So we can now find the mole. That means the mole of barium fluoride is equal to the mass of barium fluoride, which is given as 0.350. That's 0.35. You can choose to write just 0.35 and ignore the last zero is correct. Or if you want to, you could still choose to add the zero, still the same thing. All over the molar mass of this compound, we just calculated it as 173. From here, we can get the mole of barium fluoride as 0.350 all over 173. If I work this out, this gives you 0.002 approximately. So 202, okay, so 202 approximately mole, all right? So we calculate the moles or number of mole in mole. That's your SI unit. That's your SI unit, MOL. So I have 0.00202 as the mole. If I've gotten the mole here, it now means I have a value for the mole, which is this. I also have a value for the volume, which is this one here. So we can now get, therefore, we can now say the molarity of barium fluoride is equal to the mole, which we just calculated as 0.00202 all over the molar mass, or sorry, all over the volume, which is here as 0.50. All right. So mole over volume. This one here is measured in mole. This volume here is in liter. And that's equal to, molarity becomes 0.00202 all over 0.5. That gives you about 0.00404. The SI unit for molarity is mole over liter. That becomes mole all over liter, right? So note that the SI unit for molarity, you either write it as this way, mole per liter, or mole liter to power minus 1. Either this or this, and it works. So this is how we find the molarity of the compound. So this is how we solve this question.